Well, happy Monday. Happy Monday. Today is August the 20th. 4th, 2026. Come. We're up on the road this morning. Have a look at breakfast right there. So. Look at fried dumpling with avocado. Alright, yeah. Soon come back. Avocado and dumpling. Put me mix the avocado in the flour. See there? This is what I'm having for breakfast. Yep. Look at tea. Look at this, look at that, look at this, look at that. So people, happy Monday. So we are going on the road. Go on, man, coming up on video. I'm the boy, man. Fix good. Morgan in. So people, I'm at school. So I tell you, I'm Monday already. Yeah. Many people want to tell you school me there. Come down here. Cut the tea that. Alright. Anyways, me sooner later. Daniel want the camera upon him. Oh my gosh, look on the view. The view is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Yes. Look on the view. Nice. Oh my gosh, this is cute. And the day is so bright and beautiful. So people, but there's up on the road. Yeah. So people, the sea looks so beautiful. Today is so bright and I'm not gonna see. Come now. So we are going to have primary. So me have to turn that way because through sunlight. Yeah, me have to turn that way. Yeah. Walk up Daniel. So we are going to answer clock. Let me show them me.
I'm gonna show them now.
Give me this now.
I'm gonna
And then something else a boy drinking all yeah, so I feel like comment, share and subscribe.
Mommy.
If you remember right, I saw me always vlog right, I saw me always come right, I saw a vlog. Alright then people, we are going to the supply clinic. Clock. Today is so bright and beautiful.
Alright, top video.
The sun hot. People, it's the next day. Today is Tuesday, August the 25th, and it is raining outside today. It is raining, people. Gosh, it is raining so much. Alright then. We thank God for your rain. You see, the rain is a shower of blessing. Okay, yeah. So earlier I did come live and it was raining. Now the sun is out. Yeah, the sun come out back, people. Yeah. So you know, say avocado time. Pear. Jamaicans call it pear, but avocado, right? So I have avocado. I'll buy something to eat. Anyways, yeah. So we got an avocado. Right, that's avocado. So we are use the seed and make avocado. Seed tea. Yeah, then so if you use the seed and make tea. So I grate the seed and put in the sun if you make tea. Anyways, we're gonna eat. Clock. This is so pretty. This is so pretty. So you see period them when we put up. How do we put up a period them? Friday? They ripe up people. They all ripe. They all ripen. Yeah. My last video we post Thursday, Sita. Yep. Clock. One thing if I understood. Good girl, good girl. It's the last vlog, which was Sunday. I posted avocado that I pick on Friday to ripe, and they all ripened. Okay, yeah. All the avocado lover, clock in. So right now I got to go to the market and get some beetroot and carrots. Yeah, that's my favorite. Here, huh? So we got avocado. I'm gonna put some rice and mackerel with avocado. Rice and mackerel with avocado. Okay, me soon back in the next clip. Clack. Mwah. As I said earlier, we would do mackerel. Mackerel and see rice, so you start boil up. Here's when I come back. Is the presentation nice? This is all done right, so. Our people see there? So we got the rice, the mackerel, and the avocado. Okay, yep. So happy Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Yeah, today is the next day. Yeah, I did some washing, you know, so Wednesday I'm washing. Today is so bright and beautiful. Oh my gosh. Anyways, yeah, I did here look for something to eat. Come, make you see. So today is the 26th of August. Clack. Yeah, you know, so tomorrow I'm posting there. I posted vlogs on Sundays and Thursdays. Let's go on 1K subscriber, and we want some watch hours so we can earn on the platform. Okay, thank you. Come here, look for something to eat. This is avocado. This is Ackee. This is our franks. And here so is the rice. When you're done, let me show you. There you go. Okay, yeah, and look at tea. Clap. Body is what? Body is tea. Clock it. So people, may I close out the vlog right here. So please like, comment, share, and thank you for watching. I will see you guys on Sunday. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye.